Hey guys, welcome back to Daisy Crochet, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, my name is Shae and I love to do crochet vlogs just like this one. We have lots here on the channel and they're like me and Fiona's favorite types of videos to make. Today we're going to be making a bunch of room decor for my room at my apartment, and I've lived at my apartment for over a year now, but I am living there for another year of school, so I thought I would kind of use crochet to add some new decorations and vibes to my room, because I'm not used to like living in the same place for more than a year since I've been in university. So I'm like, my room's kind of boring. So we're gonna make lots of fun things in this video for my room. I can't wait for you to see them, and I really love how they all turned out, so get excited. And if you enjoy this crochet with me, we do have a whole playlist of crocheting with me and my twin sister Fiona, who's the other side of this channel, so make sure to watch that if you're interested. But yeah, I'm not gonna yap anymore, let's just get right into it. And I kind of dove right into the first project without doing much of an intro because I just wanted to start filming it and start crocheting right away. So you're gonna see me make the first project here in a minute, and that is a beautiful tapestry. This is the tapestry grid, and this will be linked in the description box, the pin for this, as well as all the other patterns and tutorials I used. So let's just get right into it. Hey guys, so I actually have not came on here and talked to you guys in this video yet, and I've been filming this video for exactly a month. I started this tapestry on June 6th and it's now July 6th. So I have not been working on this every single day, definitely not, but I really wanted to get this project done. One, because I think it's so cute and I really wanted to have it, but also because it is kind of a lot of work with 5 colors on this project and it's pretty big. So I wanted to get it done before I moved on to the other room decor that we're gonna do in this video, and I'm really excited to keep making stuff. So I just thought I would pop on here, let you guys know it's done. It looks really cute. I love the way it looks, and I'm obviously going to neaten it up a little bit and trim the ends, and I might put it on a dowel, but I'm not really sure. I might just secure it to my wall somehow. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that that's done, and I don't know what I'm gonna make next. I don't even remember what I'm making in this video, but I'm super excited to do it with you guys. Hey guys, it's the same day and I decided to get started on a flower bouquet for a vase I got at Christmas, and I never filled it with anything because I wanted to do crochet flowers, but I didn't have time to make them, so now I do, and I'm getting started on the first one. It's going to be an orange bouquet. I'll show you a picture of the inspo here. I've loved this one for so long. It's on my 25 things I wanted to crochet in 2025, and the 7th month of the year we're gonna get started on it. But I'm doing a carnation flower right now, and there's like 3 carnation flowers according to the picture, so I'm doing the first one in this color, and I'll probably do them all in this color actually. And I've made these before. I'll link the pattern I'm using. I'll link all the patterns in the description. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this for a little bit and then I will let you guys know the progress that I get. Hey guys, I made the first flower. It's literally huge. I'm gonna try and make the next one smaller maybe, but also, I don't know, it'll be cute. And it kind of looks like a loofah or a coral sea anemone. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's cute, and I have to make the little green part, but I don't think I'm gonna, so yeah. Hey guys, so it's a little later now, but I did finish the second one of these carnation flowers, so we now have 2. I'll try and hold them both at once. That's what they look like. They are super cute, but I actually don't have enough yarn to do a third, so that's okay because I don't think there's any more of this color in the bouquet. I could be wrong, but I don't have enough to make a third like it's supposed to have, so I don't really care because they're like really big and it's fine. But I'm just gonna do the 2 in this flower bouquet and we will move on to something else later. Hey guys, it's the next day now and I'm gonna continue working on the flower bouquet. I don't know if I remembered to update you. I think I did. That I finished the 2 flowers, but we don't have enough for a third, so we're going to move on to something else. But I think I'm gonna do the Lily of the Valley type ones next. But I'm trying to decide between the Lily and the Lily of the Valley because I don't think this is gonna be enough yarn for both. So we'll see. Okay, I think I changed my mind. I'm gonna do the Lily with this. And hopefully we'll have enough yarn for it. Also, I made a lily in my video a while back where I was doing a flower bouquet order, but I didn't follow the pattern exactly, the one that I used, and I don't remember what I did instead, so. This might be a little bit of trial and error, but also this yarn is a little smaller, and I think my issue was that the flowers were too big, so maybe we won't have the issue this time. But I'll let you guys know what I do. Guys, my past self, I'm so happy with her right now. She literally gave me the exact instructions for what to do for the lily flowers. Thank you, past Shae. Hey guys, so I actually ended up doing the petals for the flower exactly how the video tutorial does because my yarn's thinner and so I used a thinner hook. So it worked out. But I'm going to show you what all the petals look like now. That is what the flower kind of looks like, not assembled. And that's like the size comparison between the two flowers I've made so far, so I think it looks pretty good. Hey guys, so I've been busy for the last few weeks doing a different video. It was scrap yarn pants. It may or may not be posted before this one, but I wanted to make them at the same time as Fiona, so she also posted a vlog of hers and it was super fun. I don't think I've updated you on the flowers in a long time, but I ended up making all the flowers that I need, and I'll insert clips of them before we go and assemble them. But yeah, I did a whole bunch of white ones. I did the light orange Lily of the Valleys. I guess I also have enough orange now that I can do another one of the big carnations because I bought more. But we'll see if it needs it because I don't think it's gonna need it. Anyways, I also did enough leaves to add some leaves to the flowers, and then I also did the carnation bottoms. I don't know what they're called. And then I also did a whole leaf stem because I like the way that looks. So that is what I've done, but I'm going to assemble them. I bought stems for them, so I'm going to assemble them sometime soon. I'm really excited to do that, but I haven't assembled them yet because one, I was working on the scrap yarn pants, and two, I was going to redo all the green details with a darker green that I bought, but I just put all of the colors together to see how it's going to look, and I do like the light green, so I think we're gonna go with the light green because I also have a light yellow, which I'm gonna add to the inside of the Lily of the Valleys. Probably either that or white, but we'll see. So yeah, that's a little update on those. But I am gonna look at my list and see what else we can make for this video. And if I don't have anything else I want to do for this video yet, I'm going to do my other video. So let's just see. Okay, so I'm looking at my list. We already did the tapestry and we're going to finish the flowers. Then I have Polaroid frame. I might need to figure out how to do that, but I would like to do that. That sounds fun. Jewelry holder. I don't know. And a granny stitch basket. We could do that. I think that I want to do the Polaroid frames, but I'm just trying to figure out if I'm going to use a video tutorial or make my own pattern. The video tutorials that I'm seeing are pretty simple, and I just don't know what vibe I'm going for yet, you know? I really like these ones. This is the picture because they have like the little corners on them, and most of the tutorials that I'm seeing just have like a bottom and a top to hold the Polaroid on, or even sides, and I don't really want to do that because I feel like it's also going to cut off a lot of the image if I do that. So I think I'm gonna just try and do it on my own. So I'm gonna grab a Polaroid picture. They're not even Polaroid, they're Instax, but that's just what I'm calling them for reference. And then I'm gonna try and make one of these and see how it goes. I don't know what colors I'm gonna go for. Probably the colors we've been already doing because I want to keep that vibe going. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay guys, this is the color palette I've chosen. Two cute, perfectly made balls of yarn, and then this mess, so hopefully that doesn't cause any troubles. But I think I'm gonna go for this one, and maybe this one. So I think that will be cute. So I want to make 3 just so that I can maybe put them on a little string somewhere or on my wall. But honestly, I might only make 1. Depends on how long it takes. So we'll just see, but I'm excited to try it out. I finished the Polaroid frame Yes, that is Edward Cullen. Ignore the picture. It's just on my hand, but it looks cute. And it wasn't that hard. And I wrote down the pattern. So I'm just gonna do this one for tonight, but I'll probably make more of these. It was pretty quick and easy. Hey guys, so I actually am editing this video today. It's coming out tomorrow, hopefully. But tell me why it's 12 minutes long. So we're making something else, and I'm going to put this clip before you guys see the flowers, before you guys see me go to my apartment, because I did the outro there. So we're not done yet. I'm going to do this granny stitch basket, probably just like a medium size, and I'm going to be using green, orange, and white. Are you surprised? I'm not. But, you know, I have extra time today. The video was quite quick to edit because it was 12 minutes. So we're going to quickly make this. I'm not gonna need a pattern. Just gonna do this cute basket, and unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to bring it to my room at my apartment because I'm not going back there until school starts. But I'll put it somewhere in this room, and then I'll put it probably on one of my desk shelves there, because I want to put like hair clips or something like that in it, you know? So I think it's gonna be really cute. I'm gonna do some B-roll clips, and hopefully we'll get this done in one sitting. Wish me luck, and I will let you guys know how it goes. Also guys, I passed my driver's test today. I know. Yes, I'm 20 years old almost. It's okay. Better late than never, right? Anyways, it's a good day. Hey guys, so I finished the little basket. It's like pretty small, but it's so cute, and I weaved in the ends. Go me. But yeah, I love the colors. It's giving me such fall vibes. Like, I want it to be fall. Oh my god. But I do love summer as well. So I am done it. It didn't take very long, maybe like an hour or so. And yeah, I want to make another one of these. These are so fun. But I'm so glad that I decided to do this for this video because it turned out so cute, and it's gonna go perfectly in my room. Like, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna put in it yet. Maybe something that I usually put in my desk, but it kind of just takes up a lot of space. Like maybe like my eyelashes or my nails or hair clips or something. But I'm so excited. And it looks super cute. Also, look at the top. That is so unique. I could not figure out how she did that. Also, I did follow a tutorial because the exact pin that I was referencing had a tutorial, which was great. It turns out you single crochet backwards to do that. When she started single crocheting backwards, you should have seen my face. I was like, but it was really easy and it looks super cute. So I'm happy with that, but I just wanted to show you that we've completed probably the last thing for this video. So I am going to put this in my room at school, but for now she's going to be hanging out at home with me, and then we'll bring her along with the tapestry and the photo frame that I have here right now, because you'll see why. But yeah, I am really glad that we made this together. Okay guys, and now let's transition into some flower making. I did already make the flowers. I can't wait for you to see them, but just so you guys know, I'm gonna mention it again, but these clips were filmed over the course of like 4 or 5 days. So it's not just all in one day, but I didn't really film me talking in between. So let's just get right into making the flowers. Hey guys, coming at you from a new location looking pretty rough. I got up extremely early today and I had an exam, hence why I'm in my apartment, not at home. But it's a good thing I had to come here because all the room decor we've been making in this video I want to put in this room. So I'm currently going to weave in some of the ends on the tapestry and weave in the ends on the Polaroid frame. And then you guys just saw the finished flowers. I'm so excited about them. So I put them in my room, so I'll show you what that's looking like. And then hopefully I'll be able to find a picture to put in here. But I think I'm gonna bring this back home with me and steam it, because I forgot to do that before I came here. So I think I'm gonna bring this home with me, steam it, and then I'll put it up on the wall there so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. And then eventually I will be bringing this to put on the wall here, but I want it to be steamed. So that's pretty much the plan. But I just wanted to talk to you guys because it has been a while since I talked to you, but I've been working on those flowers for so long. I don't know if I'm gonna edit it in a certain way or if you're gonna be able to tell, but I took a lot of b-roll clips, but it was over the course of like 4 or 5 days, so it took forever, but I'm so happy with the results. So that's just my update for you. But I'm gonna just weave in some ends because I need an excuse to watch the new season of Wednesday instead of studying 7th grade. Hey guys, wow, the lighting's really bad. Slightly better. I just woke up, it's the next day, but I thought I would show you the flowers, but honestly the other stuff I'm probably just gonna bring home with me so that I can put a picture in the photo frame and so that I can steam the tapestry. So this is the flowers. It's right beside my mirror that's on, so the lighting's gonna be kind of bad, but this is what they look like in here. This is where I put them, just beside some like empty makeup brushes, because like I don't live here yet, so my stuff's really empty. But I'm gonna leave them here for now, and then I'll probably move some stuff around on the other side of my desk and then I'll put them there. But I really love the way these turned out. So overall, I think this video has been a pretty big success. I have really enjoyed making room decor with you guys for my room at my apartment, and I'm hoping it makes it a little bit more cute, and I think it definitely will once I have everything up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to see more videos like this one. Let me know what you guys are crocheting, if you're making anything right now, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.